Hey everybody, it's Matt Collins with eXp Realty with Taylor Perry from Van Dyke Mortgage. And today we're going to talk about why now is the perfect time to sell your home. So homes now, the value is off the chart. So you probably gained about $25,000 last year in equity just by living in the house, and you may not even know it.
But here's the problem though, is if I sell now, yeah, I'm going to sell for more, but I'm also going to buy for more though, right?
That is a really good point. But real estate is still appreciating. So historically, we appreciate somewhere between 2 and 4%. But over the last couple of years, we are appreciating in double digits, and that hasn't slowed down yet. And so today, we might be buying a little higher, but that new house is still going to be worth more 12 months from now. So it's still a great time to go ahead and sell your home. Now, interest rates are still pretty low right now. Taylor, what are rates going to do, say, the rest of the year?
Well, we have definitely seen rates go up a touch. And reality is, they're not going to go back down. Everybody smarter than me says they are going to continue to go up.
Okay.
So that's why now is the time. Capitalize on the lower rate of this time versus 6 months from now even.
That makes a ton of sense. If you'd like to know more, please drop us a comment below. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe on the video. Until next time.